Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to make a daily sheet using this really cute, adorable Halloween Vibes sticker book from Planything. This releases today. If you love Halloween, fall items, there's a few items being released today from Planything, so definitely check it out. I'll have it linked down in the description. I also have a discount code if you're interested in using that. Actually, if you purchase something, definitely use a discount code. I have some fun Halloween washi. Again, Halloween vibes. There's this Autumn Tones plain boxes. I'm actually going to try to incorporate that in this little daily sheet I plan on making. And then Cozy Autumn, which I actually also have a plan with me featuring this book. So definitely check that out as well. But for this video, I'm focusing on Halloween because I love doing Halloween spreads. And I really like a theme in here. Like, I can't wait to use these like haunted spooky houses in a spread, but I'm focusing on this page right here with all these little fun treats and these really pretty colorful boxes. I love the purple. I found some filler paper that kind of goes with this vibe. So yeah, excited to use these. I'm actually going to use the green one first. And okay, I'm gonna put this on the edge, but I'm leaving enough space so I could put some like fun little treats on the top. And then I'm gonna go in here and grab one of these. I think a circle will be good. I'm not sure yet what orange I want to do. Actually, let me pulling this page out. Okay. Oh, I kind of like this one. I really like this orange. So I'm going to add just a circle here. And I want to draw some like little lines going around. So I think that's a fun little element you can add onto these boxes. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Okay. Cool. So now I can add in some fun little treats. Okay, like this one. Let's see, it kind of looks like marshmallows. A little pumpkin, but like on a stick. Okay, let me cut this just a little. Oops. And then stick some, I think like on top of here. I really like the cupcake with the bat. And I'm gonna stick this marshmallow that has like the face on it. Kind of reminds me of Jack Skellington. We'll stick him here on the top. Adorable. There's some fun little treats in here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go back into this book and pull out some more boxes. Let's see. Let me go in here. Should I do another orange? I think so. Okay, so I can stick some more little treats up here, which I'm super happy about. Okay, let's do lots of cute ones. I kind of like this little one. It's got a bunch of them. Stick on the top right here. Okay. And then again, I'm going to do those little marks around the box. Oop. Got a little wonky. That's okay. Okay. I want to add in some of these two little like flags. Let's see where I can add these. Okay, I think that's good there. All right, just more boxes again, just kind of adding boxes wherever. When I do a daily sheet, I like having like different places to write in, so kind of going with that look. This, another circle here. Oh, look at this cute little spider. Only cute in like this form, because I'm not a fan of spiders. I wonder if I have any like Halloween stickers. Okay, I have an old Happy Planner sticker book. This actually was a really good seasonal book. Okay, so I have all of these kind of stickers. This one's cute because it says boo. I'm just trying to add in just some like quotes and stuff would be cool. This one's cool too. I like this get it done. Is that crooked? This one says Halloween fun. Yeah, that helped to like fill in some of those empty spots, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna pull some more from here in a bit, but going back to boxes, let's see. Let's do this orange one here. And then pink here. Okay, more treats. Oh, this one's cute because it's like a little Halloween bucket with all the treats inside. Although I like this cupcake too. There's a lot of cute things on here. I think this fits nicely here. Okay. Then let's do green. I'm gonna stick this one. I like the bat. Okay, I think I want to do another one of these boxes here. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did on the other ones. I'm gonna go back to this book. Just add in some of these little stickers. Cool. I like that. Oh, I also forgot about this. Okay, so I have the washi. Yeah, let me add some around this page. So I'm gonna put some here. This will help fill in some empty spots too, which is nice. Okay, let's put some here in the middle. Okay, I think that's it. I think a little of that goes a long way, so that's good. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, I have more of these little banners. Put one there. And okay, I think the last thing I'm going to do is maybe put some headers. Saw headers in here. These, okay. There's only like orange ones. Okay, maybe these won't work. Okay. This paint kind of works. I'm about to buy. I could do these. This one's orange and pink. Kind of works. Even though it is a Today sheet. Let's do important. Okay, that's gonna be my daily sheet featuring the new Halloween Vibes sticker book from Planything. Again, I'll have this linked. I also used this Autumn Tones Plain Boxes sticker book to create this, and then of course that Happy Planner sticker book. But I just wanted to feature these Planything sticker books since these are releasing today, and there's some other items too. There's washi, there's some of these. Oh, I have it actually right here. Some pads of paper, which is cute because they're like double-sided with different images. So yeah, definitely check out all the goodies that are coming out today from Planything. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this little daily sheet. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.